Emily is an online influencer, fairly popular on social media platforms. She has partnerships with multiple brands across various segments. While she was quite successful, Emily wanted to create a space for a more personalized experience and to help influencers and brands build lasting relationships. She started looking for a reliable team of experts to develop her idea. Through a recommendation, she reached out to us. We built a brand influencer platform aimed at helping influencers and brands achieve mutual symbiotic growth.